Hey guys and gals, it's Mr. Know-It-All here, and I've got to share something with you on this beautiful Pensacola day. Guru on everything. We do everything from smoking meat to fixing plastic trays in a refrigerator to repairing your deck to cleaning your roof. Now, this tray is expensive to replace, and it's cracked. It was cracked right here, and I used a special glue and system, and I'm trying to break it apart, and it will not break apart. It's probably the strongest bond I've ever seen with a glue. I was very skeptical. I didn't think it would work, but let me share with you what I did. And I'm going to glue this crack right here, neck. It's going to be a little difficult on the camera, but I'm going to make it happen, Captain. This is the rig I'm talking about. It's got the little blue light that pops off. Stand that up, push that forward, and you got a little blue light. We'll set that there, screw the cap off. Julio, tell everybody where all the tools are located.
Buscar en el show más de la descripción de video para todas las herramientas.
Thank you, Julio, Cesar, Chavez, Rodriguez, Buck Snort, Fiji. Well, I can call him whatever I want. So, I tried to break that crack right there. I could not break it, and it went all the way from here, completely split apart. So now we're going to try this right here. Put a little bit of glue on this area, if I can get it up there for you. Squeeze that shut, put the blue light on it. And I do it for a little longer than most. Glued. That piece is glued on there. Cannot pull it apart. Now I want to glue this piece here, and it's busted up pretty good right there. So what I'm going to try to do is glue it to the side of the white piece in here. Let me get a pointer, one of my syringes. I'm going to try to glue this to the white part in there. So I'll put a drop or two there and let it run down. Now I'll press that up there, hold it, put the blue light on it. Glued. That's about as good as I'm going to get it. And I will tell you this, if it comes apart after we load it up with salad dressings and big ketchup bottles, I'll let you know. But right now I am thoroughly impressed. This is my new glue, and I'm actually going to put a little spot right there. Let it soak down in. Get it to come apart a little bit. Blue light. That's solid. And this thing was broke bad. So does it work? It works. You can buy this with confidence, and the screw cap plugs off the top real well so it doesn't seal up on you, and that snaps back on. We're not being paid to share this, just sharing with you now because I believe it's real, and I would store it standing up the best you can, so you can set it wherever you want to keep it standing up. There you go. And again, I will tell you, if it breaks, I'm so impressed. Saved me about 75 bucks right there. Mr. Know-It-All out.